To AirPlay from your iPhone to your TV, you will need an Apple TV or a compatible AirPlay-enabled smart TV or device. Here's how to do it. Ensure compatibility. Make sure your TV or device supports AirPlay. Most modern smart TVs from Apple, Samsung, LG, and others support it. If you have an older TV, you might need an Apple TV device. Connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Ensure both your iPhone and your AirPlay-enabled TV or device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Access Control Center. On your iPhone, swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen to open Control Center. On older iPhone models, swipe up from the bottom. Open Screen Mirroring. In Control Center, you will see an icon that looks like a rectangle with an arrow pointing up. Tap it to open the Screen Mirroring menu. Select your TV. A list of available AirPlay devices should appear. Tap on your TV's name to connect. Enter the code. If prompted, a code may appear on your TV screen. Enter this code on your iPhone to confirm the connection. Start AirPlaying. Your iPhone screen should now be mirrored on your TV. You can play videos, show photos, or use apps, and it will all be displayed on your TV.